Hi, this is USDJPY pair, and today it's 28th of May 2013 and the time is 21:16 GMT, and we're looking at the 15-minute chart of the pair. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, and I have superimposed Bollinger Bands, Alligator of Bill Williams and Fractals of Bill Williams. I'm going to remove Alligator, Fractals and Bollinger Bands now, so I can see naked the Ichimoku, what it has to tell us, and then we will put them up again. Okay, so this is the line where we gave our yesterday entry signal, long entry signal. Our apps users are already profiting 128 pips. This is the time point. The vertical line shows the time point of the entry where we gave the signal yesterday. So right now, let's go to the smaller chart, M5 chart, and we will see that after the correction, the corrective move, the pair resumes its uptrend. So we have a 100% bullish environment here. Leading Kumo is bullish, although there is a flat top. It shows a sideways movement because of these candlesticks going down. We expect this to turn into an upward pointing and sharp pointing edge at any moment. So the slope of this Kumo is bullish, is upwards. So Chinku span is above past price action, and it's moving straight upwards here on the open space. So clearly a bullish environment. Let's go to M15. Clearly bullish environment, price above Kumo and leading Kumo. Although it is bearish, we have a bullish formation because we have a belly down Kumo with flat top, and Senkou span A is ready to cross to give a bullish crossover with Senkou span B and give birth to a leading Kumo, which will be clearly bullish. Okay. So Chinku span is above past price action, although it touches the price, and we expect the price to go up. M30, clearly bullish. Chinku span above past price action, and it's going to go straight up here in the open space. Leading Kumo is bullish, and the edge is starting getting pointing upwards and being sharp. This distance here between Senkou span A and Senkou span B shows that it's rather difficult to reverse and go down. It will go up. Odds are it will go up. H1 chart, clearly bullish. We had a bullish Kumo breakout a few hours ago. Leading Kumo is bullish, and its slope is upwards. The distance between Senkou span A and Senkou span B is huge. Although we had this almost flat top, it's turning upwards, slowly upwards, and it will be pointing up and will be sharp. Chiku span is above the Kumo, going straight up. It just crossed the Kumo, and it's going straight up, and we expect a huge upward move in a while. On the H4 chart, we see, let me remove these trend lines and make the chart clearer. Okay, so H4 chart, we see that although the price moves below the Kumo, the leading Kumo is a bullish formation. It's bearish, but there is a flat top and a belly down, and the distance between Senkou span A and Senkou span B is small, so I expect it to give a cross of Senkou span A, Senkou span B, a bullish cross, and birth to a new leading Kumo, which will be bullish and sloping upwards. So biases are bullish, although the picture is not so bullish on the H4 chart. Day 1 chart, daily chart, sorry, totally and clearly bullish. You see the Kumo being bullish, but its top is flat and we expect it to go sharp pointing upwards. The distance between Secuspan A, Secuspan B is so big that it's rather impossible for the price to go down. And the distance between the price and the Kumo is also big, so we have strong bullish biases. Weekly chart, clearly bullish. Monthly chart, clearly bullish, and we are about to have a bullish Kumo breakout on the monthly chart. Huge. So back to M15. Although it's not necessary, you can add Bollinger Bands. We can add fractals, Bill Williams fractals. They come with MT4 and alligator, and I want to show you how I use them. So leading alligator straight up and leading Kumo straight up, pointing upwards. They agree, okay? So everything looks bullish. M15, leading alligator straight up. Leading Kumo has a bullish formation of belly down. Sorry, I was telling you that the leading Kumo has this bullish formation and leading alligator is turned upwards, so they agree that price will go strongly up. M30 chart, leading alligator turned upwards, although we don't see a clearly upward pointing upwards edge here on the leading Kumo. That's why I use this system, and it reinforces the signals that I get from Ichimoku. And we see that Bollinger Bands, the edges are turned upwards, clearly bullish biases here. H1, we see Bollinger Bands contracting, we expect sideways movement for a while and then a strong breakout, and leading alligator shows the direction of the trend. Although leading Kumo is bullish, but it hasn't given us a sharp edge pointing upwards yet. Alligator is more sensitive and it shows the directional biases of the market. H4 chart. Although the picture was bearish but with bullish biases on Ichimoku, leading alligator shows 100% bullish move, and we can confirm what we see from Ichimoku. Leading alligator is bullish and turned upwards on daily chart, straight upwards on weekly chart, straight upwards on monthly chart. Okay, so you pick your entry from a very small time frame. Pick your entry from here, M5 chart or even M1 chart, 1 minute chart. Pick your entry from here, go long, and you can put your stop depending on your account's tolerance. If you can tolerate the distance between your entry here and this point here, a few pips, 10 or 20 pips below this point, that would be fine. On the M5 chart, on them somewhere here. On the M15 chart, we see that it would be even safer if you put your stop a few pips below the lower border of this Kumo. See if this distance is okay for you and if it is less than 3% of your account's equity. The safer the place you put your stop, the better for you. You're not going to be kicked out from the trade from a sudden move. Okay. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching and happy pips.